severe weather has reportedly spawned multiple tornadoes in northeastern Colorado on Friday night. The National Weather Service said weather observers confirmed a tornado touched down near Merino shortly after 5 p.m. The agency also said there were multiple tornado reports as the storm moved through the Akron area over the next hour. A tornado warning was issued for the area, warning of possible tree damage and flying debris that could be dangerous to people outside. Several videos circulating on social media show parts of Colorado that have experienced severe weather in recent days. The National Weather Service in Boulder issued a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of the area until 9 p.m. Friday. Several thunderstorm watches have also been issued in the area, warning residents of large hail and high winds. Pinpoint Weather Chief Meteorologist Dave Fraser said Friday that lightning, wind and hail will be the primary concerns with the storm. More storms are expected through Memorial Day weekend, so be sure to check the weather forecast before heading outdoors this weekend, as the weather is subject to change. For people in areas where tornado warnings have been issued, the NWS recommends moving indoors or to the lowest floor of a building and away from windows. People who are outdoors, in vehicles or mobile homes should seek shelter nearby to protect themselves from flying debris.